Hello, I'm Julian Davies and I'm the project manager for Alan Griffiths on the A487 Ddyfi Bridge scheme project. On this site, we've introduced measures to help reduce carbon with innovative construction methods, making savings on construction materials, the use of electric vehicles, recycling of materials, and the utilisation of existing eco-buildings for our site offices. We are delighted to be trialling hydro-treated vegetable oil fuel, and I'm proud that Griffiths is actively promoting change and looking to replace carbon-intense fuels. From a practical perspective, the introduction of HVO for the trial was seamless. As the fuel is an add-in, there were no requirements for us to empty any existing storage tanks or to drain any equipment. Our supply of HVO has been excellent, and there have been no reports of any detrimental impact on plant efficiency, which is great news.